Okay, so my helmet just came in, and we're gonna unbox it with you guys.
Hold it up, let me see it.
This thing.
Pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah.